First wash since coating it. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna foam it first, rinse it off, foam it again, wash it down, see how it looks. Alright, I'll get back to you right now when I wash it off, see how it reacts. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Looks absolutely amazing. Look, wow, this stuff works. Comes right off. You can see all the beading. Pretty sure this is gonna last longer on here because it's garage kept now compared to the truck. But I'm gonna keep washing it. I might not even touch it, honestly. I might soap it up one more time, see how it looks, and go from there. So yeah, hopefully you guys can see the ginormous difference with all that beading. Wow. This is gonna kind of be hard to do with one hand, but paper towel. Yeah. Wipe on. Slide off. It comes right off. Should I get this a little more moist and it'll probably work a lot better, but for the most part, look at that. Grab it, drop it down. Bam! Nothing. Wow. I'm gonna do it on this side now so I can show you guys again. Again, kind of hard one hand. All that water here. Slide. For the most part, fall off. So, yeah, it works pretty well. I mean, yeah, a little bit was left, but probably doing something wrong, or this towel's used. I've used it a lot in the past few months, but it still works absolutely amazing. Takes off. I'd say at parts of it, 100%. Other parts, like 70%. But yeah, absolutely amazing. And now for the moment of truth, part 2. Wow, look at that. Wow. Let's see the wheels. I coated these wheels, not the Mustang, so let's see. Yep, you can tell a huge difference. I love it. And just so you can see the difference, I did not coat the bumper, and look at this. See how the water's just like staying there, just looks like it's stuck compared to this. Look at it, it's still beating, it's falling off. So I didn't coat the bumper, probably should have, but I didn't want to. It's already kind of messed up, so that's why I didn't do it. But yeah, look at this, absolutely amazing, man. I totally recommend it. It was difficult, especially for the truck, but I mean, it was worth it. I mean, you saw the video. The truck was, I mean, the Mustang was bad too, but the truck was way worse just because it's bigger. But 100% recommend. Just look how amazing it looks now, and it's gonna dry off. Like let's see right now. Actually, let's see all this water. Let's go right here. Let's go. Look at that. It's gone. Look at that. Gone. And like I said, like depending what I wipe and where I wipe, but about 70 to 100%, just depends. Look at that. Boom. I say like that's good. 85% right there, just off with a wipe. Look at that. Yeah, if you guys were thinking about it, I would totally recommend that you buy it and you do it yourself, even though it's a pain. I'll get back to you right now. At the end of the day, man, it definitely works. I am no expert by any means. If you can look closely, this is from some sticky stuff that just hasn't come off, but there's looks like white kind of right here. It's either too much of the diamond coating that I put, or I didn't cut it or polish it right. So it's not perfect by any means necessary, but for the most part I'd say 90% of it extremely well, and it just came out great. Water sheets right off. I'm interested to see how long it's gonna last on the truck, because the truck is an outdoor truck, or you know, it's not garage kept like the Mustang. So I would assume the Mustang would last the 18 months it says it will. I don't think it will on the truck, but I mean, that's to be expected for it being outside. See, look, even like right here, I missed a little part there, came off. I didn't scrub this truck when I cleaned it. I just watered it down, put some soap, and I would say about 80% of it came off. 80% of the dirt. There's still some dirt that did stay on, like right there. That's a piece of dirt. Again, I didn't scrub it with a cleaning pad. I just want to see how well it actually cleaned, and it cleaned pretty well. It's really dirty right here at the bottom. But I mean, before, if I didn't coat it, it probably would be way worse. But yeah, it looks absolutely amazing. If you guys are interested or thinking about it, I hope this makes you buy it. And I'll give you an update in, I don't know, 6 months. We'll go with a month, 6 months, and then a year. See if I even remember. But yeah, I'm very interested to see how it works, how long it lasts. But it is a great product so far. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys around.